So I was visioning like just fish in one way, just like swimming one way. But I like that it's just like everywhere. I think it turned out really well. It's like relaxing in here when you come in and you just see all the lights and all the fish and it just glows and it's amazing.
So every year during the parent-led teacher conferences for the last 25 years, I've done a student art show where we just hang up at least one piece of artwork from every student. And so this year, instead of doing that like we normally do, I decided we'd change it up a little bit and do something different. It was amazing to see their reaction for the first time when they came in to the hallway, because so many of them have never been to the ocean. I just recently came back from the ocean. My sister lives on an island, and so I brought them shells, and so they could, see some pictures of some of the real things. I showed them a picture of a real jellyfish and a real horseshoe crab, some of the same things that they made for the hallway. So that was really neat.
It's very, I don't know if this makes sense, but at home feeling. I've always wanted to live by the beach, live that life, and go swimming every day. So this kind of gives me a feeling of that, like summer, and I love summer. It's my favorite season. So it's very comforting and cool.
My husband actually came and we worked a weekend on getting it all up. And so because I didn't want the kids to help me put it up, because I wanted them to be surprised when they walked in. And I didn't think they would get that effect if they had been here putting everything up. The kids have been very quiet in the hallway because we have a great music teacher. She's made a whole playlist of underwater music songs, and usually during classes we just have the ocean waves playing. So the funniest thing is probably a lot of kids that don't normally walk through this hallway to go to the office or to go to the nurse seem to find their way back here and walk through this hallway a lot more now, just so that they can see stuff. I've seen kids swimming through the hallway like this. Yeah, it's been a good experience.
It was really important that everyone got to contribute a piece. Even the younger kids did their own pieces. Like above us, there is fish made out of crushed water bottles that the little kids did. There's everything for every grade. We sculpted out of clay. We did a lot of stuff.
The good thing about being an art teacher is with my curriculum, if a group needs to learn about something that's 3D in form, for example, the 5th grade did clay. Even the 1st graders did some of the more 3D stuff. We talk about 2D stuff. We talked about blending colors. And so I can kind of really take my curriculum and make it into what I want to make it into. Every grade got to do something totally different than they've ever done before.
What I thought was oh, I know really how to draw fish and coral. And then when we first started doing it, I was like, wow, this has to be big fish. We have to paint all of it. It was kind of stressful, but after the end product was done, it was really good. This was quite a process. It took a while to get done, but whenever it was done, it just felt amazing to see it all come together. I was really excited, and I thought it would be really fun and cool in the hallway, but it's a lot more than I expected. My favorite part is that the special teachers' heads are just in the ocean somewhere. My favorite part is how she hid the special teachers behind some coral and stuff. What I learned is it's probably really hard to do this all on your own because of all of this stuff. You need a lot of people, and you need teamwork, and you need to trust each other.
Teamwork definitely matters. You have to have the right kind of motivation to do it. You don't just don't want to make a statement and say, oh, this looks great, I think I'm done with it. You gotta keep working hard until you get what you really want.
What I love about art is how calm it is, and if you make a mistake, you can turn it into something different, so it's not a mistake.
Every kid is so proud of their artwork all the time, and so it's very important to display everybody's artwork so they are so proud when they come in here and they can show their mom or dad, or they can show a friend and say, look, that's what I did. It's a class where some of the kids who might have problems in other areas of school come in here and they do a great job. And I don't have a lot of discipline problems in my class usually because they want to do the projects, they think it's fun, and they're really proud of their work. It gives them something that they can feel good about.